Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is officially day one on my new vlogging camera. If you didn't see what I've bought, please check out yesterday's video. And I know a lot of you were happy with my decision. I think next year I will buy a very high-end Sony camera. So I think I'm gonna go all out next year. But that's all left to you guys if you subscribe and share and keep watching my videos. Okay, today's video is about shoes. Now I've got shoes here and there are about 11 pairs. Okay, I have a lot of shoes. So those who are new to my channel, please don't mind when I do shoe videos because I have so many shoes to show. And the shoe right there is exactly what Mr. Shah Rukh Khan wears all the time in, you know, when he's out, when he's partying. They're a brand called Golden Goose. So I'm going to show you all of these shoes, but I'm very proud to wear the same shoes that Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan wears. So a couple of points before I show you my shoes. These are only my summer shoes, which I only wear for summer. And also these are the shoes that do not include athletics or sports shoes for gym or jogging or whatever. So no sneakers are involved in this this group here. And also I've left out the formal wear. So no formal slip-on shoes, no lace-up formal leather shoes. I've kept all that out because I have so many that I need to just break it down. So you'll see some more follow-up videos on my channel, and you will also see more videos for fall and winter, what I wear. So in the US we have shoes for all seasons. So let's take a look. Okay guys, so yesterday's vlog was all outdoors and enjoying life outside, but today we're back home. So my first two most comfortable shoes for summer are these Birkenstock slippers or sandals, whatever you may call them. So Birkenstock sandals are made in Germany, and they are very popular in US and European countries, and I'm sure in India too it is very popular. They're made out of leather or a leather kind of faux leather material, but very comfortable. These I've been using for years. So I have two designs and I have one more black one also, which is same as this, but I didn't take out everything like I said. So these Birkenstock are what I wear every day nearly in summer, and I'm just trying to look at the screen to make sure my camera is doing great because it's a new camera. So Birkenstocks are my first pick for summer sandals or footwear. They also come with a strap at the back if you want to close the slipper, but I prefer these open, and you'll see it more in the B-roll. I also have a couple of house kind of slippers, which this is Balenciaga, which has become, it's white leather but it's become more black because of use, and this is a leather slipper. So again, they're called flip-flops, they're called slides. This is more like a slide, this is a flip-flop, but this is leather, so I don't wear it for the beach and all. And this is something I wear just to chill in the mall or something like that. So these are white, not my favorite color because they get dirty. But Balenciaga, we all know, is a very big designer brand, and this is a leather brand by Trenton and Heath. So yes, the slippers are on point. If I go to the beach, I wear these Zero shoes. These are called Zero shoes, which are just flat pieces of leather, and they're very comfortable. They're just with like rope and leather, very thin, so you can walk on the beach. You can also jog in these. So these are called Zero shoes, and another hot pick of mine for summer men's shoes. Coming to the teeny bopper and younger crowd shoes, but I still wear these. Okay, I'm extremely young at heart. So Vans, these are the Vans checkered skateboard shoes which I wear, and my son also kind of borrows them. And these are my Converse. Obviously everyone knows Converse, so I'm not going to waste time talking about it. But these are great for when you're cycling or walking a little faster. You don't want to wear like Nikes, you can wear more of these fashion sneakers to the mall or shopping or whatever. These are a shoe called Allbirds. They are wool, made out of wool, and I've talked about them in one of my vlogs. So it's a brand called Allbirds and they're extremely comfortable. You don't have to wear socks, they don't smell or anything. Very, very soft here. So these are not sneakers, these are more fashion sneakers, but I just love them. Allbirds. These are boat shoes. Okay, they're worn on the boat, but people prefer these more for day-to-day kind of, chilling and walking around. So boat shoes are very, very comfortable. And I've also got a pair of slip-on Converse by a brand called John Varvatos, but it's in collaboration with Converse. So these are upper leather and they're quite expensive. So they got fancy soles, not like your plain Converse soles. And then these are my boat shoes, which I just amazingly ragda all over the place. They're very, very strong. Okay, so these are by a brand called Timberland. Both these are great slip-on shoes for summer. Coming to probably the thumbnail of this video, these are Golden Goose sneakers which your Bollywood and my Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan is always wearing. So these are expensive Italian made shoes. They are called the Superstar by Golden Goose. Okay, so when you see this GGDB, it's Golden Goose designer brand and the star over here. So don't mistake these as Converse. These are definitely not Converse. These are premium Italian shoes which are like $400 or $500. I don't remember how much I paid. And again, I don't want to talk about price because many people will be, this guy's just showing off his shoes or money or whatever. It's just a love for shoes and I thought I should share with you guys. So yeah, these are what Mr. Shah Rukh Khan wears. Okay, the video is not over. No shoes are going to be good unless the wife gives her ranking. So Karishma is going to join us and tell me exactly what she likes and what she doesn't like. Let's wait for that. So guys, that's my daughter Ivanku.
Hi.
Okay, so I got hold of Ivanka because I also want to know her opinion on her dad's shoes. Are you willing to help me?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ivanka is going to come and tell me. Okay, these are my slippers for summer and these are my shoes. So what do you pick as the best slipper?
Probably these ones.
Alright, so she's picked the Birkenstock and you had one like this, remember?
Yeah, I remember.
You had a silver one, I think. So Ivanka's picked the Birkenstock. And okay, now Papa's shoes. What do you pick for Papa's shoes? The best one.
The Vans.
Oh, so she's quite trendy. Ivanka has picked the Vans. Alright, so we'll do the same thing with Mom. Alright, thanks Ivanku. How's school going?
Good.
Okay, I pulled her out of her school work just to do this, but she's an awesome support to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hi.
Please subscribe. Hey guys, Karishma's here.
Hello folks, how are you doing?
So Ivanka did her piece and now I'm trying to get the wife to pick. So Karishma, basically, I want you to look at my, the slippers and tell me which one you would like me to wear.
I'm partial to the Birkenstocks.
Which one?
This one.
Oh God. So that's exactly what Ivanka picked.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah,
Great
so
minds think alike.
there was no planning around this and Ivanka and Karishma both picked the Birkenstocks, so great job. And now coming to the shoes for me, keeping in mind my age and everything for summer. So we've got the Allbirds, we've got the Vans, we've got the Converse boat shoes and then the Shah Rukh Khan Golden Goose.
I like the Converse or the Golden Goose. Do I have to pick one?
Yeah, you have to pick one. What do you think?
I'll go with the Converse. I'm a Converse fan.
Alright, so Ivanka actually picked these, but I guess my wife would pick something sober. So you're sure you'll prefer me to wear these?
Yeah.
They're not too young for me?
No.
Okay. So
Converse are classics. Anyone, any age can wear them. So definitely not too old or too young.
okay, so these are the summer shoes. So did you think I didn't pick sneakers. So sneakers are out of the list.
Okay.
And I didn't pick formal slip-ons. So are you fine with my chosen ones?
No, absolutely. And I'm glad you've got the golden goose because I'm partial to white sneakers in the summer as well. So that's a good backup.
Can we see that?
Sure.
Yeah, so again just showing you guys the Shah Rukh Khan shoes, which Karishma also likes. So white is classic for summer.
I'm partial to white shoes. And again, I'm neutral whether they should be golden goose or even regular Adidas, but like superstars, etc.
Yeah. Okay, final question. Do you like my camera?
Yes,
Okay.
looks pretty sleek.
So yeah, so Karishma was part of the video with me convincing her to buy the camera, and now I've saved $3,000.
That's great. Why are you zooming it here?
I'm just learning the camera. Okay, too much of troubling the wife, and she's going to feature in some videos but not many. Okay, so thanks Karishma.
Thanks everyone.
So
Have
your
a good
pick
weekend.
was the Birkenstock and the Converse.
Yeah.
And Ivanka picked the Vans and the Birkenstock.
Yeah.
Alright, I know my shortlist now. Thanks guys. Take care. Bye.
Are you
So
taking
Ivanka, Mama picked the same as you.